Today I'll be showing you a little bit about the R1940L from VSHOW, or as I like to call it, the Big B's Eye. I'm going to just go over a few features and some of the things that I like about the lights, and hopefully that can help you learn a little bit more about this light. I do have several light fixtures from VSHOW, but by far this is one of the bigger lighting fixtures that I have from them, and you will need cases and crates to carry around this light. One thing about this light is the motor on it is very powerful. Once again, as I said, this isn't a small light, so that motor on that light is very powerful, and don't get anywhere near it while it's moving, trust me. Now, the lights within this moving fixture are very powerful, very powerful. You can use them as washes, strobes, whatever you see fit that fits your show and the design of your show. Once you get this light pretty much has those capabilities. Right here, I'm just going to demonstrate the wash and a couple of the movements with this light. Like I said, there are many more features to this light, but one thing that I noticed that's a considerable sell for this light is the brightness of the wash, and also the quickness of the movements in this light is a big seller for me. This is just another example of wash different colors within the lights. Like I said, the color changing abilities of this light to do it quickly is a very plus in my opinion. Here's another example of different effects that you can set up and program with this light. Now, what I want to show you here is very important to me. The power outs on the back of this light is a big plus for me. Now, this is a pretty big room, pretty big space to be have one of these lights in this room, and as you can see, it's powering this whole room for the most part. Now, I know this is before events setting up, but this one light doing all this in this one room, 2 to 4 of these could power a whole small festival if you ask me. Now, that's all I have to say about the B's Eye today. I think it's a great light. Once again, take it from me, I'm not getting paid to do this, but these lights have a lot of effects that can blend in with your show. Hit up VSHOW, get this light, let me know what you think.